Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on the menu, shrimp Creole. We're going to spice our tomato up and we're going to add us some fresh seasoned shrimp. And we're going to let that cook slowly down into a nice rich gravy. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients. Okay, we have all our vegetables and our shrimp prep. And now we're going to start by melting some butter in a saucepan. Now you want to saute your vegetables in the butter for about 20 minutes until everything is nice and tender. So while your vegetables are sweating it out, make sure you go ahead and open up all your cans of tomato. So guys, when I make shrimp Creole, I like to use stewed tomato because that's more flavor that is added to my dish. So we're going to go ahead and get our cans in there along with our 1 can of Rotel tomato. And I don't know about you, but I don't like my tomato to be whole. I kind of like them a little bit crushed. So I put a glove on my hand and I'm just going to crush those tomatoes a little bit just to puree them up a little bit with my hand. And you can pull out a blender and take care of this part if you like, but my hands are doing the job. We're going to add 2 cans of water and we're going to let it simmer down. Okay guys, this is where the fun starts. The base to a good shrimp Creole is your basil, your thyme, and your Creole seasoning, or a good Cajun seasoning. That's key. Then from that point, we can jazz it up and put whatever else you like in there, because that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to bring you along for the ride. Let's go. You want to be very careful when you're adding your different seasonings, especially if they have a salt base. So make sure you taste along the way so that you won't over salt your food. And what do we have here? That's Sazon. Yeah, I know Simply Mercy B love her Sazon. So I'm adding 1 packet of Sazon to the dish. Make sure you get those flavors well incorporated by stirring every time. So here I have a garlic and herb spice. It has no salt in it, so I'm going to add that to help elevate the flavors of my Creole sauce. So now I'm just adding about a tablespoon of sugar, and that's going to help us balance out our sauce to cut down on the acidity of the tomato. So guys, I'm making a big batch, and my batch is going to feed about 20 people. So I will have in the description box below the amount to serve about 4 to 6 people. So now you see me, I added a little bit of accent, and we're going to add a few bay leaves, and we're going to cover our dish, and we're going to let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Take a look at that beautiful sauce. Oh, it's so beautiful. Now, my sauce is a little bit too thick because I want to have a little bit more liquid in there before I start to add my shrimp. So I'm adding a little bit of water, and we're going to let that cook a little while longer, and we're going to be ready to add our shrimp in. You want to take your seasoned shrimp and add it to your Creole sauce. It doesn't take shrimp long at all to cook. Once you put them in the water and you see them starting to turn pink, they're almost done. So I let mine cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I turn the heat off, and they're going to continue cook. They're going to continue to cook from just the heat of the liquid. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you give this recipe a try. This wonderful spicy shrimp Creole. And once everything is all done and nice and thickened up to your liking, you have shrimp Creole. Make yourself a pot of rice or spaghetti, and it serves just wonderfully on top of rice or spaghetti. Guys, please take the time out to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I certainly appreciate you for spending your time with me and watching me make my shrimp Creole. And until next time, remember to keep life simple, and we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.